Hey guys, JH, welcome to Practice Tee. Okay, I just want to talk a little bit today, and it's really cold and windy here today. It's just an awful day, just so awful. On our washing machine swing, one of the things that really is important, of course, is the circular motion. The agitator in the washing machine, there's no linear movement in it. It's always circular. So what you have to do is think about and school yourself along the lines that the golf club does really go around the body very hard after impact. When I'm hitting at my best, I actually feel that club goes left and like it's going to the right of me, to the left of me. And because my hands are low, guys, I can do that as quick and as hard as I want to. And I can't get over the ball because my hands are low. If I were doing that from a higher base, I could certainly get over it, but I can't from that low base. So all I really do, all I want to do, is just be very, very circular, but a very low circle. But I want to release the club as hard as I can there, with as much rotation as I can there, as a feeling. I mean, I feel like I'm doing that, but I don't, because the ball goes perfectly straight. But that's the feeling. So I have to have that amount of feeling as a perception to get the right type of release. But it's not an over release, so to speak. So guys, watch how hard I go left and how hard I release it left here, or lead side. So I'm just going to go here, and then I'm going to go here as hard as I can. Now guys, that's first shot of the day. That's a 3-iron, because it's so windy here, and that's just absolutely blitzed. I mean, totally blitzed. Can't hit it better than that. And that, guys, feels like it's just absolutely that. Just an absolute roll down, roll over, as close to the ground, or as Monon would say, skin the knuckles on the ground. Through the ball. So watch this. Now that's a very short golf swing, but it's enormously strong, and the impact is really, really high quality. Just really nice. Now I tell you who does it, guys, and does it today in world golf quite dramatically, is Graham McDowell. You watch McDowell, he even practices that. He really does get it in here. It's here and then over there. Now watch him sometime, because he really does do that. But all the good players on the tour today, guys, and really since time immemorial, they've always released it in that half circle over here, the other side of the other quarter circle here. You know, there's half a circle here and a quarter circle here, and there's a quarter circle over here. You don't want to have a quarter circle here and then a straight line there, because the problem you've got, guys, is that as soon as that left arm starts, or that lead arm starts to go down the line, it puts a brake on the golf club. As soon as it goes this way down the line, and a lot of people think, and as I've said this before, a lot of people think the swing is side to side. upwards, downwards. So it's not, guys. It's around and around. It's around and around. It's just around and around. So anytime you think that you want the club to go linear, you're putting a brake on the golf club, because this arm gets away from the body and forces this shoulder up and stops the body rotation. You've got to let the arm go so the shoulder can go, so this can go. It all starts, of course, lower down, but that does that. But if the intention is from the top of the swing here to swing up that way, it'll stall up the hips. The hips won't go, because the body will get the feeling that it's going this way and these will stall up. But if the body feels that starting down, that we're going to be going round and have roundness in the golf swing, this will go. The hips will just go. Now I'm going to rotate this what I think is that. And the good thing is, guys, then the left arm folds correctly. If you don't have any rotation and any circular motion, there's no rotation in that left arm or the lead arm. There's none. It does this. So we're going to really rotate this down. Guys, look, there's about 45 k's today and it's freezing cold. And that's just a bullet. I mean, that's the sort of shot, ball flight, you'll want to troon this week in the British Open. They say it's going to blow there, and it'll blow a lot of those guys that can't hit the ball flat off the golf course. Shouldn't worry the Aussies, because we grew up, it's very windy out here. They can hit it flat. Jason Dakin hits the ball very high normally, because in America that's what he needs to do, but he can hit the ball flat. He comes from a fairly windy area where he grew up. And I used to watch him practice. He used to practice beside me when he was a kid, 16. And it was very windy on the range where we used to practice, and he can flight it. Okay, so we're really going to, over here, guys, it's going to be left hand down and just going over here. I just wish you could see that. Just so strong. I'll just hit one this way, guys, so you can see how much rotation there is. How much rotation there is on the shot. It's a bit hard hitting it this way because the ground is terrible. Watch how hard I rotate it over there. See where I'm finished here, guys? Look at this, look. Arm back here and left arm folded. Here. I was going to force it down the line, this would be up here. The shoulder comes back this way and it pushes you this way. We don't want to go that way. We don't want to go that way. Just hit a couple of drivers up here with this action. And of course with the driver, guys, you just release it harder than you think it's possible to release it in that circular fashion. Just harder than you think it's possible to do. It's there. Wow. Almost like a revolving door. Here. If I was going to go around, that's my intentional feel. And it's amazing how straight it goes. For anybody who hasn't done it, it's quite daunting because you think you'll hit the ball so far left you'll never find it, but you don't. Really left to left. And guys, when you're coming from this low base, you can accelerate your hands as hard as you like. because you won't come over it because you're here. Well, I'll put a good one on this. Okay, they're little short swings. But I promise you, they're perfect into that wind. Oh boy, they're good. All right, so we can put a really nice swing on this, George. But really release it hard. As good as I can hit it. Yeah, that's another 20 in the air. And that is the washing machine, guys. No question about that. That is the washing machine. Yeah, there's no straight lines in a washing machine agitator, is there, guys? So just think that. Agitate to the right, agitate to the left. But that's just the point I wanted to get across today, because, you know, people can, you know, even though we want to be circular, there's always sometimes this feeling that the club has to go in a linear fashion. It doesn't. It has to go in a circular fashion. And if you watch everybody in World Class Golf today, guys, everyone releases it over there, because that's the other quarter of the circle. Can't hit it better than that. And that really is what I think is just left hand down into the ground over there. Clearly it's not, because the ball goes dead straight. That's a bullet. None of them go that way. And the more I get the club feeling as if it's going that way, the straighter it goes. Can't hit it better than that, guys. Cannot hit the ball better than that. And I do it on occasions. When I say I do it, I forget to do it on occasions. I just forget to be as circular as I need to be. Okay, really strong right wind coming this way. Great wind to practice into. And it's coming across here, and you think the ball will go left. The ball never goes left. Just never goes left. Can't go left. Absolutely no feeling, guys, that the club ever goes straight down the line. Never. And Mo Norman spoke about it all the time, but you know, clearly when you see Mo Norman golf swing from above, he goes left as hard as anybody, just straight over there. And you can learn it with a wedge, guys. Just get a wedge here and just rotate it over there as hard as you can. Ball goes dead straight. Watch how hard the or the direction of the club, how left to left it goes. Very, very circular. Look at this, guys. Look, that's just gone dead straight. I'll just hit one this way for you, one last shot, and really rotate this as hard as I can. Left. Look where I am, guys, look. It's still going. Still going. Quarter circle, quarter circle. No straight line, no straight line. No pitch up. No arms away from the ball. It's shoulders around, shoulders left. Just hit one down here, guys. There's some guys down here, so I've got to be a little careful. But watch where the club rotates. Look where I'm finished, guys. Look here. Now, you won't see the ball flight today because it's too cloudy. But see, downwind there, because that wind's going that way, that 5-iron's gone absolute miles down there. Crazy stuff. Look where I finished here, guys. Look, look, look. Here. Way over here. Not here. Don't want to finish there. Not at all. Okay, guys, I just want to keep reinforcing that the swing is circular and the release is circular. Just let that left or that lead arm have its way here. There. What do I feel? Just hitchhiking to the left. There. There. One ball left. Let's hit one this way. This crabgrass is just absolutely unbelievable. Now watch how hard left I release it, guys. Look where I am there. It's a perfect golf shot. Okay, guys, it's just some reinforcing. We'll do some more as the days go on. But the main thing is that we've got to keep up this feeling of rotation, circular, circular, quarter circle, quarter circle. There's no Ferris wheel in this one. This is the rotating door, the agitator, all that type of stuff. Okay, guys, have a look at that. We'll do some more maybe tomorrow.